Adley Fields live extreme, gale force winds, climate change, Putney, weather forecast UK, 23. Likes the video, please a thumbs up, tighten the motor, distance on the motor is 14:02 PM in the afternoon. In our law, that's 2 minutes past 2 PM in the afternoon, and it is the 1st of February, 23. So you can see on the left side the screen behind me, Putney Bridge, extreme climate change in the future, guys. We'll see more storms across the UK and torrential rain at times, and other extremes of weather like heavy snowfall, anything that keeps you seeing at the sky, let alone thunderstorms and tornadoes, especially, and F3s. Oh yeah, across the UK, there was one F3 and F4 back in the Roman times, guys. Well, even before that, let alone, well, after that as well, around William the Conqueror the King of England, who came over to the UK. So it's all to play for the climate change in the future, guys. The weather today across Putney, right about 10 to 11 Celsius, and very gusty northwesterly to southwesterly wind of 15-16 miles per hour today. So yeah, take care on the roads today. Especially in the northwest UK, got a storm there, very nasty, very stormy, gale force winds of 80 miles per hour or 85 miles per hour. No joke. Actually got the Shetland Islands. Hope you like this video. Please a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my short sign channel. Today, Thames. No joke. Not many people know. Only Ben Fire. They do. Yeah, they marathon. Ben Fire. He's doing his last marathon run this year. He's 40 years old. I'm 35, so 5 years behind him. Anyway, if you like this video, please thumbs up, please subscribe to my short sign channels, I'll be happy. Listen to my friends Marky and Jim Bell on the ITF Friday feed on the Surrey Hills radio station show. Every Friday, 3 to 5 PM an hour long. This was 1500 to 1700 every Friday on the Surrey Hills radio station show. And listen to me, the last show every Sunday on the Woking radio station show. Yeah, the Woking radio station show at 9 AM to 12 PM every Sunday. I hope you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe to my short sign channels. Of course, be with you. We always create my spot, and the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. Please subscribe to short sign channels. And of course, we always subscribe to short sign channels. Watching. Please be happy and smile. Bye everyone, this is pretty extreme weather today. Bye across Putney City. Well, Putney Town. Bye everyone, that's outside London City now.